And we have revision 1, simplifying fractions and order of operations. So we must be able to simplify the given fractions and solve the mathematical sentence using the order of operation. How to simplify fractions? In simplifying fraction, we need to list all factors of the numerator and denominator. For example, we have 8 over 10. So the factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, and 8. For 10, we have 1, 2, 5, and 10. Then find the greatest common factor. So we have the largest factor, which is 2, not 1. Okay? Take a look at the largest or the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. Then you're going to divide to both numerator and denominator the greatest common factor. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the simplified fraction is 4 over 5. Another example, 6 over 24. Yes, 6 is the greatest common factor of 6 and 24. Not 2, okay? Although they have the same 2 as factor, we need to take the greatest common factor, which is 6. Then we're going to divide 6 into the numerator and denominator. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 24 divided by 6 is 4. This is the common error when simplifying a fraction. You stop too early, not dividing by the largest common factor. For example, 18 over 24. You just simplify by dividing into 3. So we get 6 over 8. Then you stop and write this as the final answer. Instead of this, 18 over 24 divided into the greatest common factor 6. So we have 3/4. Here can still simplify 6 over 8. So in simplifying, you need to divide by the greatest common factor. How to answer multiple operations in a number sentence? For example, 12 plus parenthesis 26 minus 10 divided by 8. Very good. We're going to use BODMAS. B for bracket, O for the order or the square root or exponent, D for division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. So we're going to do first inside the bracket. 26 minus 10 is 16. Then the rest we're just going to copy. What's next? Very good. We're going to divide. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So, the last operation, 12 plus 2, is equal to 14. The final answer is 14. This is the common mistake we did. We just do the operation from left to right instead of following the BODMAS rule. Okay, so you are not going to add first then multiply. You need to think the BODMAS, which is multiply first before add. So let's multiply 2 times 5 is 10. Then you add into 1 equals 11. Let's answer this. 60 divided by, inside the bracket is 3 plus 2 minus 5 times 2. To answer this number sentence, we need to follow the very good BODMAS. Okay, B for bracket. Do we have bracket? Yes, but we have 3 plus 2. It means we're going to add first inside the bracket. So we need to add 3 plus 2 is 5. Then just copy the other numbers. Okay, we already use B as the bracket. Do we have order or the power? Don't have. How about divide? Yes, we have divide. So we're going to divide first. So 60 divided by 5, 12. The rest just copy. So we use divide. How about multiplication? Yes, we have 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Then just copy 12. So last operation is 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So we have the answer 2. To sum up our lesson in simplifying fractions, we need to find the greatest common factor. For example, 12 over 18, the greatest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Then divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. So we're going to divide them by 6 and 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So we have the simplified fraction 2/3. In answering multiple operations in a number sentence, we're going to follow the BODMAS rule. B for bracket, O order or the power, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. Take note that if in a number sentence we have division and multiplication only, or addition and subtraction only, you just follow operations from left to right.